How to fix storage problem on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can fix your storage problem on your Android device. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to actually fix your storage problem on your Android, what you need to do is, first of all, if you're running out of storage, you want to check which of the applications are occupying more space. So open up settings and then you simply want to go to the option called battery and device care. Now in your case it could be somewhere else because due to different type of manufacturers. In my case it is under battery and device care. So basically when I go here I have the option called storage, and as you can see I have a total of 128 gigabytes, out of which 75% is used, which means 96.96 GB, and I have over 25% still left of my storage, which means that my Android phone is working just fine. So over here you'll be able to see which of the thing is actually occupying most, but in my case it is certainly the apps, the system itself, which you cannot delete, and the videos. So if there are any type of video files that you don't really need, I want you to go ahead and delete them, and not only delete them but also try to delete them from your recycle bin folder, because if your phone supports recycle bin, then most likely it is going to save itself inside of the recycle bin folder. So basically you can just try to empty your recycle bin in this case, and then you can also delete some unused applications over here. The other thing you can try to do is simply clear your cache files. So you can just go to memory over here, and then you'll find the option called clean now. I'll just tap on the clean now option. It is basically going to start the process to clean all of my junk files and so on. So if there are any types of unnecessary apps, I also want you to actually remove them, or else last thing I can suggest you is to simply try to reset and then start over everything again. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.